Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing avatar from a single picture in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing and going to the adding a new page and going to the applications, looking for this Avatarify, just opening it, choose file. I already downloaded my picture without background. I prefer to use it without background due to, in this case, the background will be not involved in a picture, and I think the result is way better in this way. But we will see it. Now it's the system just created the avatar for us. Now we have it. Just BG remover, just removing the background, crop a bit, and now we can play a bit with a picture, like adding a drop shadow. Maybe it's not needed. Yeah, this picture is better without shadow. We're going to the adjust, just removing the contrast, increasing the shadow, saturation, and the clarity. Actually, both is really good. Maybe with these settings a bit more sharper, more brighter, but this is also really nice avatar made from this picture. So now this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching and see you on my next tutorial. Ciao.